Flip the bird. The idiom, flip the bird, is a colloquial expression that means to make a rude or offensive gesture by extending the middle finger upwards while keeping the other fingers folded down. It is a highly impolite gesture commonly used to express anger, frustration, or disrespect towards someone. Example 1. John was driving when another driver suddenly cut him off. Enraged, John rolled down his window and flipped the bird at the other driver to show his anger. Example 2. During a heated argument, Sarah's coworker made a sarcastic comment about her work. Unable to control her anger, Sarah flipped the bird at her coworker as a sign of her frustration. Example 3. At a football match, a player from the opposing team deliberately fouled Tom, causing him to fall. In response, Tom stood up and flipped the bird at the player to express his outrage. It is important to note that using this gesture is highly offensive and disrespectful in most cultures. It is best to avoid using it in any situation, as it can lead to conflicts and negative consequences.